Hi everyone, welcome. I'm so excited. I'm in beautiful Las Vegas. I'm staying at the incredible Cosmopolitan Hotel, which has the best views. I'm right outside the fountains. You're gonna probably see the fountains going off behind me. I'm in Vegas because I'm here to sharpen my skills, I always want to be at the forefront of what's happening in new construction. I've just spent the last couple of days touring every new home that is being built in Vegas. I have seen lots of new developments, new builders. My favorite builder, Toll Brothers, which I love. I have seen new finishing, new features, new exteriors, new siding. All of the changes that are going on right now in new construction are just so exciting. And I invite you guys to do the same thing I'm doing. Get out there, stay on top of your game, learn new skills, get into some classes. I've got some great classes coming up this fall. Sign up, I'd love to see you at the classes. But most importantly, this is what we have to do to stay sharp at what we do. It's our responsibility to just be able to give our clients the very best. And my trip to Vegas has been epic. The things that I've seen and the things I'm gonna be able to share with you guys this year, I'm just so excited. So please enjoy, like I am enjoying, beautiful Vegas and the incredible fountains of the Bellagio. So thanks guys, see you soon. Take care, bye-bye.